Okay, now we will do the taking off for the tie. Okay, so this is your tie. So the tie basically tie the band of both min bar of x and y direction. So, and it consists of this hook or anchorage. And if we look here, the detailing for the ties in this drawing 1T20, which means there is one numbers of tie. The types of tie is T and the diameter of the ties is 20. So because of the types is T, we use 15D. 15D here, 15D here. So the size of the pad footing is 1.5. 1.5, 1.5. So there is a cover over here, cover, cover, cover. So the value of the cover is 30 mm. So we take into consideration that in our calculation or in our taking off, right? So the idea now is we want to calculate the length of one tie, right? So we calculate this one, okay, the length of this part. Okay, so it is 1.5 meter minus 2 cover, so there is 2, 1 over here, 1 over here, 1 cover over here, 1 cover over here, so 2 cover, value of cover is 30, 0.06, so you minus, you will get 1.44, so the length here is 1.44 meter, right? So in this case, four-sided have the same length, so we can write it as 1.44 times four-sided. Okay, four-sided. Okay, you will get 5.76. Okay, but you need to plus the hook, plus hook. So hook, you have two hook, two. So the value of hook is 15, diameter is 0.02. So this is your hook. So value is 0.6. So you total up in order to get length of one tie. So we get 6.36, right? That is length of one tie. So next, because in this case given numbers of tie is 1, so we can proceed, okay, to calculate the total length of tie, whereby we will write in this times in column 1, which means numbers of structure. Okay, that is 1 pad footing. Okay, 1. Okay, this is numbers of tie. Okay, and then in diameter column, dimension column, we write the length of one tie, which is 6.36. Thus you can calculate the total length of tie, which is 6.36 meter T20. So this is the total length of ties in this case, right? Okay, if let's say the length of the size of your pad footing have the different size, okay, different length, okay, different length. For example, this is 1.2 and here is 1.5. Okay, so we need to say that you cannot, okay, at 1.5 minus 2 cover, for this part 1.5 minus 2 cover, same 1.44, but you cannot multiply with 4-sided because there are only two part or two-sided which have the same length. So two-sided, you need to write two-sided here, and you need to plus with the another length. Okay, you need to calculate the length of another sided, which is 1.2 minus 2 cover multiply by two-sided, and you total up both, okay, both value. Then you only can add with the hook, okay, to get the length of one tie. Alright, so the rest is the same if given the numbers of the tie. If let's say the numbers of ties is not given, if numbers of tie is not given, so what you need to do? Okay, you need to calculate the numbers of tie. Okay, this is same like you want to calculate numbers of tie or link in the beam. Okay, so it's using the same formula, which is length required tie multiplied by spacing plus 1. Okay, but normally it will given 1, right? So that's it. Okay, we will move to the next one, to calculate reinforcement for the stump in the next session. Alright, thank you.